welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to use month to date function. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's start. So we have this matrix and we have the orders table that has a sales column. We create a new measure. Months to day. We need to use a calculate function. Then the sum for sales. And then time intelligence function from DAX for dates, months to day. And we need to specify a dates column. So this function, months to date, will calculate the amount for each day starting from the first day of the month. For example, the January 1st we have 8,000. Then each day the amount is increased. Then the next month we start like from zero, and the first day the sales are 7,000. The next day it's 28,000, and then the amount is increasing. The amount is increasing until the last day. Then we have the next month, and the process is repeating. We need to use the calculate function because we do a sum of sales, right? But we need to limit the dates that the sum function can see. So for that, we have a time intelligence function called dates months to day. So for example, calculate help you to uh, calculate help the function understand the context. For example, on January 1st, the sum function see only one day because this function is limiting the dates. Then the January 2nd, this function give only 2 days to the sum function. The January 3rd, the same. So this function is giving only 3 days to the sum function. And every month it start over. So in February, the dates to months give only February 1st to the sum function. etc. So generally you need to use calculate when you want to limit in something or restrict the use of this function. It can be like something like filter. You can filter the city, the months, etc. In this case, this time intelligent function know, for example, uh, that it is in some specific months, and if it other months, it need to start over and give dates only for that specific months to the sum function. Hopefully this everything makes sense, because sometimes it's very confusing the use of calculate. Hopefully this video was useful, and if you like more videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.